This video we talk about how can you post on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, then it's gone. When you click here on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just click on your photo profile, then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click on this sign. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you add about your post here or post here. So can you add image or give here or text. So then when you don't click here on post, then it's going to post with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.